assemblage of artifacts and life forms in the galaxy.
Hey, do you guys validate?
But on today's tour, you will be allowed into my most secure percent to see in the flesh my newest acquisitions, the Guardians of the Galaxy.
This isn't all your fault.
Oh, at least we get a really cool sign. Check that out. Oh, man, they got my name wrong. It's not Peter Quill. It's Star-Lord. Although they do call me the leader.
Yes, because you led us into the trap.
Hey, I thought the tour sounded fun.
Well, what name do they call me?
Drax the Destroyer.
Ah! That is correct.
Got his name right.
That's what bothers you?
Sorry. Gamora, daughter of Thanos.
I am not the daughter of Thanos!
You're supposed to tap glass.
Don't even start.
Hey, would you two keep it down over there? I know. It's so it is.
That's the best one.
My friends, you're one step closer to your exciting encounter with the Guardians of the Galaxy.
That'll leave a mark.
You are now standing in my private office,
I know.
where I carefully scrutinize
each and every piece that comes to me from different parts of the galaxy, and let's mute this guy.
Hearing your incessant blathering on a constant loop was big motivation for me to escape. I go, ouch! Ow! What was... That was not part of the plan! Why? Of course I escaped! For those of you who have not been paying attention, the name's Rocket, one of the Guardians of the Galaxy. The smart one. Listen up. He's gonna put you on the gantry lift for your tour. I'm gonna sneak on top of your lift and take us all the way to the big old generator control room. I'm gonna blast that thing and destroy all the control systems, which will open up every cage in this freak show and free my friends. Our buddy Mantis is in the getaway ship waiting for my signal, and then we'll be on our merry way. But this plan won't work unless you help. I don't have clearance. My hands don't scan. Yours do. If you raise your hands, I get the clearance and the chaos begins. It's a foolproof plan. Huh. I'm gonna take this. Now move it.
First, please hold on to all loose items. Second, please refrain from flash photography and video recording at all times. And finally, please make sure to keep your face mask on at all times during the ride. Have fun in your tour.
My dear friends, this is the moment you have been waiting for.
Rock and unplug you and start things right. Show me those hands, people. You got clear. Let's roll. Okay, I got it.
Why are you thinking them? They barely sat there. They did nothing. We did all the fighting. They did not help